the name of the program I chose to do is called the Oxygen Sensor from Nulog. The first thing you want to do, you want to start to set up. So here we have our Wi-Fi box, our oxygen box, and a battery for them to turn on. So first we're going to unpack our oxygen box. You take it out of its box and then you set it aside. And then onto our Wi-Fi box. So you do this, take it out of the box, put it on the side, and then finally the battery box. So once you have taken the battery box, you want to set the boxes aside and start connecting them. So first you grab your Wi-Fi box and then the probe. So you connect them, you put the battery on the right and then the probe on the left. And as you can tell, when you do that, the lights on the Wi-Fi box start to turn on. And that means that your probe wear is ready to be used. So then you connect your Wi-Fi box to your computer and you go to the website wifi201.com. Once you're on there, you go on to control mode and that will take you to a different web page. And once that loads, you're going to click online experiment. And once you're on there, you want to click run experiment. So the main use of the prober is to measure the amount of oxygen, and I'm doing this in using water. So you're going to put the prober into the test tube or beaker, whatever you're using, and let it measure the water. So then you come over here to your computer and you press run experiment. And there it goes. And that is the percentage of the amount of oxygen in the water, 13.5. Okay, so in using the prober, you could do an experiment such as using a sodium bicarbonate solution, adding that to the water and inserting a type of plant such as Elodea. Then you could use the effects of how Elodea and the sodium bicarbonate determines the production of oxygen. So you want to put everything back in its box. So the oxygen probe goes back in its box. The battery box goes back in the battery. And the Wi-Fi box goes back to the Wi-Fi. There you go.